Hey everybody, it is Jeff Kasmer coming from very, very hot Chicago suburbs. It's like 90 degrees today. It's about 2:40 in the afternoon. And today's video is going to be a video that's not really about selling the team that I'm with, selling the company that I'm with, getting you to trade the Forex with our team. Okay? It's a combination of mindset, action taking, and life lessons. Okay, let me get some of the particulars out of the way. First of all, I've been a network marketer, affiliate marketer, Forex trader for the past 22 years. I'm a member of I Am Mastery Academy. I've been going on 5 years. If you're interested in joining I Am Mastery Academy and you're not a customer and have not been a customer within the past six months, we offer a 7-day free trial that you can sit on our shoulders and watch our live webinars throughout the week. We give you 5 live webinars just to take a peek. We teach a specific strategy that is taking the internet by storm, at least for our team, is we trade with the banks. We're like a caboose. And if you've seen my videos before, I'm always doing this. Caboose. Wherever the train goes, the caboose follows. And that's why our customers are absolutely crushing the Forex market. We don't trade against the banks, which most people do. We trade with the banks, and we have a specific strategy that helps our members crush it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you just found us and want to subscribe, more action, please hit the subscribe button below. Got any questions? Post below. If you want to find me on social media, whether it's just to chat or you want to join our Forex team, Jeff Kasmer, pretty simple. I also have, real quick, lots to cover today. My business page, Jeff Kasmer, a little slow. And where's the other one? Hold on. We're a little slow today. Trade Forex with Jeff, okay? You can find me anywhere. But send me a friend request to Jeff Kasmer first. Okay. I've experienced a variety of customers recently in my business that I want to share. This happens in any business that you're trying to recruit or promote, or in life in general. You will fall into one of these categories, okay? So, my category today is 4 types of mindsets. This is 4 types of mindsets, okay? I want you to get value out of this, okay? Do not ignore this if you are building a business online, you own a brick and mortar business, you're a manager of McDonald's, okay? Okay, doesn't matter. 4 types of mindsets. The first one is the customer who takes no action, okay? The person who takes no action, quite honestly, is pretty easy to deal with, because if they take no action, there's not much you can do about it, okay? No action means no action. They're not willing to take the step forward. You could be giving them a pot of gold, and they're just not going to take any action, okay? They're the ones that are screaming for looking for extra money. Everything's a scam. It doesn't work. You know, they're the epitome of Debbie Downer, okay? You just have to, like, next. That's just the philosophy you have. Now, me personally, I have a hard time doing that because I'm trying. My role with our team is we want to help as many people as possible, okay? And sometimes people need to see things multiple times before they even think about it, okay? For me personally, before I joined I Am Mastery, several months, right? I'm probably the average person, okay? Some things I've jumped on right away. This because I knew nothing about Forex, I didn't, okay? So I don't fall into that category of no action. I take action. But you're going to run into people that if you're trying to build a business that are just no action. You're never, it's just not going to happen, okay? So they're just, we call them tire kickers, right? They just will be all over the internet. Info. Type info. Can I get some info? But never will take action. Never. Okay? The second type of mindset is action. And I should learn how to spell. But quits. Okay? I've had a customer do this recently. Okay? Sometimes people quit because they look for the excuse that something doesn't work. So these are people that actually take action. They join you, right? And then they quit. And they just blame other people. It's you. It's a strategy. I don't get it. Your fault. Company, marketing, whatever. So they're willing to, they saw enough value, right? Jump in and quit. I had a customer just did this recently, okay? So he signed up. He's like, oh my goodness, the community is awesome. Oh my God, the strategy is awesome. And after 3 days, he got frustrated and couldn't get the strategy, okay? And by the way, if this person's watching, I'm still friends with him on Facebook, no hard feelings, but this is an opportunity for me to help somebody else, okay? And I'm going to be far away here because I don't want to show the person's name. Let's see, a little close here. Just that's not going to work either. Okay, just scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. It was non-stop communication from the time that he signed up and by the time he quit. Okay, just blamed everything else. Okay, something doesn't work. No time. My strategy's better. Of course, he was looking for something better than his strategy. So, okay, maybe his strategy works a little bit. Ours is fantastic. But if you quit after 3 days, you didn't learn the strategy. Okay, we're pretty open and honest that you'll pick up things of the strategy during the 7-day free trial that we offer. You will. You'll absolutely pick up a lot, whether you know nothing about Forex or an experienced Forex trader. You can pick it up a lot. But everybody has their journey. Some people can take a week, some people can take 60 days, some people can take 6 months. But the end result, if you get it, and then you're crushing the Forex market, it's worth the journey, right? So this person took action, worked his tail off. I assume he worked his tail off, but ultimately quit because part of it is desperation, right? Got to get the money, 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 got to get the money. Well, guess what? We're pretty open and honest. It's a journey. You're not going to make $1 million in your first week. So those expectations are unrealistic. Okay? So that's the second mindset. Action, but quits. Third mindset. Slow action, but wins. Okay? This is probably the one I fall into. Okay? Slow action, at least with the Forex industry. I didn't even know what Forex was. So, didn't do anything, watch, listen, watch, learn, took action, and then step by step, learn to trade the Forex, and now I'm crushing it. Okay? Members of our team are crushing it. I'm one of the leaders. Okay? So, slow to action actually is probably better. Let me fix that real quick. Slow to action. Hold on. Of course. But wins. Okay? So that's the third one. Okay? The best one, okay, and it's not every person, is this type, goes all in and makes it happen. Now, hey, for somebody who's building teams, whether it's a network marketing business, affiliate marketing, whatever it is, okay, that's the godsend, right? They're low maintenance, they get in, and they're making it happen, okay? And I have several customers that just jumped on board, went in, learned the strategy, and absolutely are crushing it. And I have others that were slow to jump on board, right? Slow to jump on board, and then took action and crushes it. Then I had somebody who did not take any action. There's one customer, if he's watching, he knows who he is. 2 years back and forth talking to this person. 2 years. Didn't take action, finally took action, and is on his way to crushing it. He's like, yeah, this is making sense, this is making sense, this is making sense. All you have to do is take action. You take action, right? So these are the 4 types. No action, waste of time. If you're a network marketer, you can tell them right away. Action but quits, right? You get people who jump on board, all excited. Then when the going gets tough, they're quitters. Bye-bye. The best kind are 3 and 4. Slow to action, but eventually takes action and then wins, right? It's like you had to convince them to join to see the value. They do the work and the effort, and then they are a success story, right? That's where I fell in to the Forex industry, okay? And then there's the people goes all in and makes it happen, okay? Those are the 4 types of mindsets. So if you are building a team, if you're building a customer base, if you are, learning anything online about making money, okay, and trying to build a team or get people on board, those are the 4 mindsets that you have to deal with. Simple as that, right? Now, me, I'm pretty passionate, right? So when I had this person who joined and quit, right, I'm like, you can't, 3 days in, 3 days. It just drives me nuts. I just want to hit myself in the head, man. Because, one, it's a total waste of time for me, right? And I'm trying to help as many people as possible. So when you're ready to join, but take action. Don't blame others. That's really the moral of this video and this story, right? So for you people that are building teams with whatever company you're in, those are the 4 types that you're going to run into, okay? If you are somebody who's thinking about joining any business opportunity at all, or starting a business, or starting a brick and mortar business, or whatever, take action. You only have 1 life to live. 1. Okay? Don't let 2 years go by. Right? In 2 years, you can be you can be a 6-figure trader. And with our strategy, you can be that. Take action. Here's the worst case scenario. Any business, I'm just going to take ours. We actually charge the least amount. We actually have our customers who join I Am Mastery, the smallest package. $234 US dollars, first payment. Every month after that, $175. We use a harmonic scanner. That's what we use for the strategy, so we don't need everything else. People can add on apps and stuff like that. Okay? And that's all you need. Take action every single day, and you will learn to crush the Forex industry or any business opportunity that you want to get on board. Okay? But your lack of action, okay, will cost you in the end. For example, the customer, 2 years, right? If you would have taken action even in 60 days or 90 days, you could be financially free by now, right? Don't be smothered by not taking a chance, right? $234, okay? A lot of Starbucks coffee drinkers out there, Dunkin' Donuts, you get your fancy drinks, $7-8 a day. 1 month. How much does that cost you? Pretty much about one month's payment. Okay, that's it. That's it. At the end of the day, if it's not for you and you quit down the road, what did you lose? Right? But you took the chance and you took action. That's what's most important in any facet of your life. Okay? I think that's it for me. Hopefully you got something out of it, the 4 types of mindsets. Please, if you're interested in joining our team, reach me, Jeff Kasmer, Trade Forex with Jeff Kasmer. If you got something out of this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Put some comments in there, subscribe. Love to hear from you. I want you to be blessed. Be blessed in whatever you do. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. Please, please, whatever you decide to do, if you're trying to change your future, make a choice. Choose. Don't be smothered by inaction. In the end, it'll cost you. Have a great day, everybody.